What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Boys, what is the best day? The best day after a long, hard build, money, time, effort, all that. What is the best day? Correct answer is the first drive. We're about to do it right now. Alright guys, so quick recap on the car. This is a Gen 3. This is a 10-speed auto, and this is, of course, the ESS supercharger kit that is designed and built for the 15 and up Mustangs. And guess what? There it is. Super cool. This one's got speed engineering headers, full UPR front, suspension, Cobra brakes, of course the Stifler's cross member. Front to rear full disc brakes. Like I said, I think it's got, yeah, it's got Willwood brakes on the back, which is super cool. But something else that's super cool is inside. Let's check that out. So kind of the holdup on this kit was figuring out, I'll get you in here so you can see them, this paddle shifter kit. Now I think at some point I may end up doing, I don't know. I haven't really decided. This is a super cool kit, but so number one, they do turn with the wheel, as you can see. You get your up over here and your down over here, which is pretty badass. But also running the RTX Dakota Digital, this thing will literally show you when you're in, you know, manual mode, sport mode. As you shift, it'll show you what gear you're in. This cluster's freaking ridiculous, and I'm actually thinking about in my car upgrading to the to this one as well, because it's got a lot more features in the display and all that. But yeah, we're actually going to officially pull this car out for the first time. We've got the I think we got the second revision of the tune from Wingard in the car right now, so I believe we are cleared to go wide open throttle, but we do need a data log as well. But this car has come a long way and ought to be a ton of fun. Drive this thing today. Yeah, it does. Sounds really good. Whistling its ass off. Too freaking cool. Got a real good exhaust note to it. Super duper mellow. One other super cool thing about this car is we did the K designs in this car as well. I don't know if you guys remember, but I've got this exact same kit in my car. Like I said, they fit great, clean it all up. In my opinion, the back seat in these cars is useless anyway, so this thing is super cool. And that's where I got the idea to hide my battery and all that under there, so you don't have any BS hanging around back here. Super clean look. And the seats, it's been a minute since I mentioned it. These are the actual leather. I got a little smudge on them. These are the actual leather Corbos, and they're pretty damn comfortable, I gotta admit. So we've also re-dyed all the interior. It was faded pretty bad. Actually, we haven't done the door panel. You can see how bad faded it was. So we got to do that one. That one's already done. New carpet, all that. Mostly we just got to get the console back in it and some odds and ends on the dash. Should be good to go. But this car really came out great. It's always a scary moment. Where's the cluster at? It was lit up a second ago. Oh, okay. Yeah, I see it. I guess.
Got some light out there now.
Yeah, true.
Oh, we got some tire rubbing.
Damn. Whoa.
My tire rubbing now.
Jeez. Yeah, we might have to make an adjustment real quick. We ain't getting up the. We're not getting out the driveway with that. All right, boys, got her back in here. It's got, I'm not sure what brand these are, but some kind of lowering spring. We're gonna swap it out, put some stock springs in it. These fender wells, as you can see, have not been rolled. And we didn't even make it out of the freaking drive. But, like I was telling you guys about the exhaust, this is the Bassani Catback. And then, what'd you say this was, Brendan? Pipes X-Pipe. Freaking exhaust is beautiful. Like, he's making me feel bad, dude.
Yeah, it's well put together.
I mean, it's all like mirror polish. Yeah, there it is. I'm standing here looking at the dang pipe sticker.
My pipes don't look that good, though.
Yeah, these, of course, they're brand new. You know, we were about to drive it for the first time. But, yeah, looks great under here. Did find a minor, looks like power steering fluid leak, or maybe trans fluid. But yeah, all UPR front suspension, Speed Engineering headers. Looks great. So yeah, we're gonna swap the springs out. We don't want to cut the tires. They're brand new, and like you see, we made it like 10 feet and it was already doing that, so no way in hell we were going down the road. So we're gonna get that swapped out and commence first drive, take 2. All right, take 2. Swapped out the springs, rolled the fenders, threw a little spacer on there. Yeah, it's sitting up a lot better. It's a little high, obviously, but I'd rather have it high than cut the tire. All right. Slight delay, but here we go. It's definitely gonna need alignment. It's super quiet.
Yeah. Smooth.
Yeah. Suspension feels good. Heck yeah. Oh yeah, paddle shifters. Hear the blow-off valve too. Hey. So far, so good. It's gonna be spicy.
Yeah, hit that effortless.
It's gonna be very spicy. Yeah, it doesn't hit real hard down low, but man, just with a little baby hit, you can tell that blower comes on quick. She comes alive quick.
Comes alive, yeah.
That's pretty badass. Damn.
That shift working great.
Yeah, that's cool. Just a little bit. I'd call that a success.
Made it there and back, huh?
I mean, anytime we make it back is a good day. I think it's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm very impressed.
Yeah, no rubbing and all that.
Yeah, fix the rubbing, we're good. All right, so doesn't look like we got any leaks, which is good. Yeah, always after a first drive, get them up. Everything looks good. Check all your clamps. We are gonna adjust the rear end. It's seems like it's over a bit this way, so loosen that up. That upper. Uh-oh. Got some fluid on the rear end here. Yeah, maybe it's just, maybe not. It looks wet. Yeah, overall, call that a success. All right, guys, you probably are not gonna believe me, but check this out. Check it out. Yeah. Tune going in. You know what we're about to do? We're about to start this damn thing. I know you guys are probably gonna be like, what in the world, you're actually starting it? Yes, yes, guys, we are actually getting caught up, believe it or not. Pace car's just about done. This car is about ready to fire. Hold on, let me check my progress here. Shouldn't be long. Yeah. Yeah, Dover just finished the fuel lines. I got the trans filled up with fluid. It's a Handling T56 in there. O2 sensors are in it. We're gonna fire this damn thing up. Yeah, just real quick, guys, I want you to check this out. Flush mount fuel cell. Got all the lines in it. It's a pretty cool little setup. Fill her up. Mini tub. This car's gonna be badass, guys. It's just, you know, taking a while. Had stuff happen, and Dakota Digital.
Maybe two.
This is a moment. Heck yeah. Damn. Fuel. Ah, yeah, we're almost done. Saving stock calibration. Yeah, he bought this with the car, or with the blower, I guess. Not really sure. Do not turn on vehicle. Engage is kind of obsolete now, but I mean, it's here. It had a tune in it, so we're rolling with it. All right, we had to run and get a little more gas, and while he's doing that, I'm going to verify pressure. Let's see. All right, I'm ready. Vacuum is off. Nothing yet.
You gotta fill up a lot.
Yeah. Oh, I'm hearing something.
Then they had to fill the filter up.
Yeah, true. Yeah. Oh, we got leaks. How's it not showing any pressure on the gauge, but it's leaking up here? It's pouring right there.
Yeah, that's our feed, so we're just now getting fuel to it.
Let's see.
We're getting close.
Yeah, I don't see nothing else over here.
So they had to fill the filter up, all the lines up. Ready?
Yep. Oh, look at there. It's coming up. We're at 20. And 30.
We ain't got no coolant or nothing yet.
True, yeah, we can't
Just nice to see it.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
That's loud.
No exhaust.
No exhaust. Interesting. Yeah.
Well, but hey,
So much for that tune, huh?
it started.
Yeah, it started. How cool is that? Yeah, everything looks good. Don't see any leaks anyway.
Brakes on her now, huh?
Yeah. Get her on the lift, run some lines on it. All right, boys, huge day. Huge milestone. Driving the Pace car, starting the Leadfoot Gray car. We're knocking them out, getting them gone. Very much excited. Guys, we got a lot coming, obviously. Always try to keep fresh content rocking for you. I appreciate everybody watching the channel. Don't forget, stop by the marketplace, foxcast.com. List up your parts, guys. We got over 100 new people signing up every day, but we don't have as many people listing parts and stuff. So the people are there. They're shopping. Put your stuff up. List it. Sell it. And you don't have to deal with the marketplace BS. Which is a very nice thing. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please drop me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. And I'll catch you on the next one.